Guys, Vlogmas 24, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you this delicious carrot buns recipe. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope the season is going on well with you. Thank you so much for always stopping by, and if this is the first time, you are very welcome. Please do well to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. So like I said, I'll be sharing with you this delicious carrot buns recipe, and for this recipe I will be making use of this super silky condensed milk I made in one of my Vlogmas videos. So if this is what you would like to watch, please do well to stay by and enjoy this video. So yeah, I have my flour. I'm using 2 cups of flour, and what I just added is my sugar. I'm using a very little amount of sugar because of my condensed milk. I'm using just 1 tablespoon, and here I have my salt. I will leave all of this measurement in the description box, so please do well to check it out. I've added my baking powder, my cinnamon powder, and I'm just going to give this a quick mix. Remember, this is carrot buns, so don't go anywhere. You know those leftover carrot that you end up having in your house? This is how to make a very delicious snack out of it. Don't let it dry out, don't waste it, okay? So I've cracked in one of my eggs, and I'm adding the carrots, as you can see. So I'm just going to add a bit of water to this grater just so I can get the rest of it out, and because I need a bit of water as well for this recipe, so I'm making use of this particular water. So after I've added that, I'll go ahead and add my condensed milk. As for the condensed milk, you can do as much as you want, but I'm just going to do 2 tablespoons, which is just perfect. Remember, my condensed milk was made to be a very thick one, so this is part of the reasons I go for this particular thickness. These and also other reasons, of which I'll be sharing with you as we go. So you can see how silky and sturdy this is. This is how I like my own condensed milk. So I'm just going to get all of that off the spoon and go ahead and mix. Okay, enjoy the rest of the video, guys.